Hi, this is from Dr.B.Vijayakumar, HOD of Physics, SNS College of Engineering. Today, we discuss the topic of case study on types of laser and its application. So today we discuss the case study of types of laser and its application. Right? So already we do this experiment in our lab. This is semiconductor laser. The types of laser is more. One is solid state laser, gas laser, semiconductor laser, dye laser, chemical laser, liquid laser. The types is many, right? In our application, in our lab side wise, we have used in the semiconductor laser. So this is a semiconductor, very low efficiency output laser. We use it, right? So in this laser, we have find from first the using of laser source wavelength. And the second one is a particle size, right? So this is a diffraction method, and this glass plate is a grating plate. Whenever we use in the grating plate from this holder, we get that the diffraction order, right? So based on the diffraction order distance, we have identified in the finally to the form of calculation, we get the wavelength of the laser source. Then we remove this grating plate and to the form of the normal glass plate to deposit it in a lycopodium powder. Right? This is normal glass plate. We deposited in a lycopodium powder inside of the glass plate. It's a plain glass plate. So we have identified the spherical shape of, look at that, the rings we get it. So we have identified the size of the particle for using the same laser of semiconductor, right? So this is a one-off laser we used in our lab in a semiconductor, but we find in the laser wavelength and also the particle size. At the same, in different types of laser means the solid state laser, that means NDR laser, that is we used in cataract surgery or the endoscopy, right, in medical application, and drilling, soldering we have used in interface purpose, right? That is an application of solid state laser, right? This is semiconductor application, that is a solid state laser application. The next one is a gas laser, the skin surgeries, right? Then any cutting of parts we have used in the CO2 laser, because the CO2 is a high output efficiency laser, so we have used it only for the rare places to be applied from the application oriented, right? So based on the types of laser, we have formed different types of application in medical and as well as the industrial side, right? So in our syllabus we discuss in only for three laser. One is solid state, second one is a gas laser, third one is a semiconductor laser. That why we do in our lab to finding out these types of property in a different application. The particle size is a one of application of this laser, right? So in many types of application we have found, right? The reason the laser is in a high range of properties: monochromatic, directionality, intensity, and coherent. Right? These are all the properties in a high range. So we have used in lot of application in medical and industrial side. The laser is one of a very good tool. Right? That's why we frame in a case study on laser and its applications. Right? If you have any queries or if you have any doubt, ask me. Otherwise, you give in your feedback. Right?
Sir, why we use the lycopodium powder in this?
This is the one of method we have taken from the lycopodium. Any types of sample, for example, NaCl or potassium chloride, right? Whatever we need the particle size to finding from that particular powder, first you deposit it in a plain glass plate, then you get from here, you get the size of the particle. Not only for the lycopodium powder. We have deposited in lycopodium powder, that way we get in the lycopodium powder particle sizes, right? Suppose you change it in your mission, right? So for example, any researcher, you do some research, right? You deposit it here, you get in a direct particle sizes. But the particle size is only formed in the micro ranges, not a macro, right? And the nano. right? It's only for 10 power minus 6 ranges. Any others?
From this diffraction, how will you get small units?
Because the distance between the screen and right laser to fall grating, laser grating. Look at that. So the distance is very important role to the form of that, right? Because the particle size we get in a boundary marking, the boundary is too larger, we not get in an exact range of reading, right? So we have forming very closer to the screen, we get in a very thin boundary. So the thin boundary mark in exact range, and you get in an exact reading to the form of the calculation to finding in approximate range of the particle size, not accurate range of particle size. This is one of the method to finding out the particle size, right? Thank you.